So learning about propane tanks here. Just venting this bad boy. Where is it? It's hissing. There it is. Hissing away. Smelling terrible. Hoping I don't blow myself up. Okay, so it's something called bleeding the tank. And there's so I'm tightening it now, but if you loosen it, it'll let the extra bit of propane degas, and then when I did that for a couple of minutes, it started to get wet here. So the propane, so you want to wear gloves so that you don't burn yourself with the cold propane. But now the hissing is gone, and we'll keep an eye on it. There's also this amazing little tool that you can turn on, and it's a propane detector. And before, so this thing's been sitting all night. I don't hear anything. Let's see when we turn this thing on. Turn on. And if there's propane leaking, it should be going crazy. It's not doing anything. So that seemed to have fixed it. Yay!